The person at extension 626748 is unavailable. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the hash key.
This is a message from Richard Nyman with the Ophelia poem, which I will now read. Does Ophelia have cold feet? In her position, who wouldn't? Does Ophelia sneeze? In Hamlet's bacteria, there's no doubt.